Frequency change approved Alaska 408. Good day. Speedbird 154 Heavy, number 2, runway 34 center, cleared to land. Thank you. Good day. Alaska 408, number 2, cleared to land, runway 34 center, Speedbird 154 Heavy. American 1165, number 2, runway 34 left, cleared to land. Seattle Tower, Asiana 857 Super, ready for departure at runway 34 right, departing straight out. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 34 left, American 1165.
Seattle Tower, Lufthansa 154 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 34 right, departing straight out.
Lufthansa 154 Heavy, line up and wait runway 34 right.
Seattle Tower, American 19 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 34 right, departing east.
Alaska 2806, contact Seattle approach on 133.65. Alaska 924, contact Seattle approach on 133.65.
Contacting Seattle approach on 133.65, Alaska 924.
JetBlue 871, contact Seattle approach on 133.65.
Contacting Seattle approach on 133.65, Alaska 2806.
Boeing 797, contact Seattle approach on 133.65. Lufthansa 154 Heavy, runway 34 right, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Seattle approach, JetBlue 871, with you at 17,300.
JetBlue 871, radar contact. Alaska 924, continue as filed. Expect the ILS approach runway 34 left at Seattle. Alaska 2806, turn right heading 070, descend and maintain 5000.
Descend and maintain 3000. Maintain 3000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 34 left, Alaska 924.
November 1837 Mike, proceed on course to Boise Air. Proceed on course, November 1837 Mike. November 800 Alpha, radar contact, say approach request. Alaska 1150, radar contact. JetBlue 871, proceed on course to